Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Trend Cars, and today we are diving into something that feels less like a car and more like a statement of ambition. The 2026 Ferrari F80, a machine that doesn't just sit at the top of the automotive world, it tries to redefine what the top even means. If you love hypercars, if you love speed, if you love the feeling that only Ferrari can create, then stay right here because this might be the most outrageous machine Ferrari has ever imagined. Let's start with the presence. Before you even touch the start button, the F80 already hits you with something wild. Its design is sharper, lower, and more aerodynamic than any Ferrari road car before it. The first thing you notice is the elongated silhouette. Ferrari has stretched the proportions so the car looks like it's slicing through air even when it's standing still. The front end drops low to the ground with razor-like LED lights that almost look alive. And the vents. Everywhere you look, the F80 has channels, cuts, and openings that control airflow with absolute precision. It's the kind of design that makes you stop and whisper to yourself, "This thing was built for one purpose: speed." Move along the sides and the inspiration becomes even more obvious. Ferrari has pulled directly from Formula One aerodynamics, giving the F80 deep sculpted tunnels and floating surfaces that keep the car glued to the road at insane speeds. The rear is pure aggression dual, exhausts sitting high, a massive rear diffuser, and an active wing that reshapes itself depending on whether you need downforce or straight line efficiency. Ferrari hasn't just built a they've built a moving, breathing aerodynamic machine. But design is only the beginning. Let's talk about the heart of the F80, the powertrain. Ferrari is stepping deeper into hybrid performance. And the F80 is the result of everything they've learned from the LaFerrari, the SF90 Stradale, and their Formula One hybrid systems. Under the rear glass sits a twin-turbo V8. But not just any V8. This is Ferrari's next-generation compact performance engine, tuned to create explosive power without extra weight. And paired with it is an enhanced electric motor system that fills every gap in torque and takes acceleration to a level the human mind struggles to process. Combined output, a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower. Let that sink in. 1,200 horses in a car that weighs less than most sedans. Ferrari claims the F80 will launch from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2 seconds. And the top speed pushes beyond 400 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest cars ever produced. Numbers like these don't even sound real, but Ferrari has somehow made them not only real but controllable. And that brings us to control. Because a hypercar with 1,200 horsepower is useless if it's only fast on paper. Ferrari has equipped the F80 with their most advanced all-wheel drive system yet. But here's the interesting part. The car doesn't always use all-wheel drive. Depending on the driving mode, the system dynamically shifts power forward or backward to give you the perfect balance of grip, rotation, and pure Ferrari feel. In the corners, the F80 feels alive, predicting your movements, reading the road, adjusting instantly. And thanks to the electric torque vectoring, it handles like something from the future, sending power exactly where it's needed millisecond by millisecond. Ferrari's engineers have also developed a new suspension system that blends adaptive dampers with active aero. At high speeds, the car lowers itself automatically, reducing drag and tightening its stance. In comfort mode, it softens up, so you can actually enjoy long drives without breaking your spine. And then, when you flip into its performance modes, the car snaps into another personality. Everything gets sharper, tighter, more aggressive. It becomes a track machine with road plates. Now let's step inside the cabin, because Ferrari has taken a completely modern direction. Instead of cluttering the interior with unnecessary features, the F80 is extremely driver-focused. The seating position is low, almost like a race car. Your legs stretch forward, your hands fall naturally onto a race-inspired steering wheel, and the entire cabin wraps around you like a cockpit. Ferrari has introduced a completely redesigned digital cluster that feels like a living hologram. It tilts with your steering movements and changes layout depending on speed and driving mode. The infotainment screen is sleek, but not oversized. This isn't a rolling living room like some luxury cars. This is a driver's machine. Everything is oriented toward performance, reaction time, and immersion. Even the materials tell the same story. Lightweight carbon fiber everywhere, Alcantara lining the interior surfaces, and thin layers of leather, adding just the right amount of Ferrari luxury. The seats are lightweight, shells with built-in cooling and heating, and despite their aggressive design, they are surprisingly comfortable. Ferrari spent years refining the ergonomics so the driver feels like part of the machine rather than a passenger holding on. You're not just driving the F80, you're merging with it. What's really impressive is how much technology Ferrari has integrated without corrupting the raw driving experience. You get adaptive cruise control, gesture controls, a 3D parking camera system, and even augmented reality navigation, but none of this distracts from the real purpose: driving. Every tech feature is hidden behind the Ferrari philosophy of minimalism and control. Now let's talk sound. Because even in this hybrid age, Ferrari refuses to give up the soundtrack. The F80's V8 has been tuned to create a layered high-frequency scream that mixes with the electric whine in a way that feels alien but thrilling. When you accelerate, the turbo whistle, the electric torque push, and the exhaust scream all blend together. It's like listening to a symphony conducted by lightning. And yes, the F80 comes with a quiet mode where the electric motors handle low-speed driving. But once you unleash the engine, the car roars with unmistakable Ferrari DNA. Asterisk. So who is the F80 actually for? This isn't just for collectors. It's for people who want the closest thing to Formula One performance in a road-legal package. It's for drivers who want speed, precision, and design that looks like it belongs in the next decade. The F80 is a statement that Ferrari will continue to lead the hypercar world even in an electrified future. Asterisk. The F80 also represents Ferrari's biggest step into sustainability without compromising performance. The battery pack is lighter, more efficient, and charges faster. Ferrari has engineered regenerative braking that feels natural, not grabby like many EV systems. And even though this car is built for extreme speed, Ferrari has made sure its emissions are significantly lower than any previous hypercar of this class. This is the future of performance. Hybrid, intelligent, and insanely powerful. Asterisk. As we wrap up, let's make one thing clear. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is not just a new chapter for Ferrari. It's a warning shot to the rest of the world. A message that even in a changing automotive landscape, electric cars dominate conversations and regulations. Keep tightening. Ferrari still knows how to build a machine that makes your heart race and your imagination run wild. Asterisk. If you dream of speed, if you love engineering excellence, if you live for the thrill of performance, then the Ferrari F80 is the car that proves the future is going to be anything but boring. This is what happens when Ferrari unleashes its full potential. Asterisk. Thanks for watching Trend Cars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari F80, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with every car lover you know. We'll be back soon with more insane machines from around the world. Until then, drive safe and keep dreaming big.